In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet an uppercase letter C. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. I'm really excited about today's crochet project because today I'm going to show you how to crochet an uppercase letter C. Now for this project, you're going to need yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver in the color white. You'll also need a crochet hook. I'll be using a size letter I. You will need a yarn needle and a pair of scissors. Well, I'm going to roll up my sleeves just a tad, and I'm ready to get crocheting now. So let's get started with crocheting our uppercase letter C. Now, for this crochet letter, you will need to know how to chain, single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet stitch. Now, if you do not know how to do those stitches, it's okay. I will, right here, link a tutorial series where I teach you the basics of crochet. I also will link it in the description below. So pause the video, save it to your watch later, and then come on back and we can go ahead and crochet this uppercase letter C together. Okay, enough talking. Let's get to crocheting. So we're going to start off with a slip knot. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and chain 25. Okay, so here is our 26 chains. So what we're going to do is kind of pull up my yarn just a little bit, because in this stitch, the very first stitch below our chain, we're going to put 3 double crochets into this space right here. So yarn over, insert your hook into that chain space, pull up. There are our 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so let's put 2 more double crochets in this same chain space. Okay, so there we go. 3 double crochets is in that chain space. Now, in this next chain space, we're going to put a half double crochet. So let's go ahead and do that now. Yarn over, insert our hook, going up under both of those loops, the little V, pull through. 1, 2, 3 loops is on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so in our next chain space, we're going to put 2 half double crochets in this next chain space. Let's do it together. Yarn over, insert our hook in, pull up. There are the 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Let's repeat it in the same chain space. Yarn over, insert our hook into the chain space, same chain space, pull up, 3 loops is on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 2 of those loops. So now what we're going to do is we're going to repeat that same pattern of 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochets in the same space. We're going to repeat that for 3 more times. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you once you have repeated this pattern 3 more times. And now for our last 2 half double crochets in this pattern. So that's 1 half double crochet, and here is the second one. Okay. Now what we're going to do is over the next 8 chains, we're going to put 1 half double crochet in each one of the next 8 chains. So I'll meet you once we're on that last 8 half double crochet. So now for our last half double crochet in this pattern, which will be our 8th half double crochet, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook in, pull up. There are our 3 loops, yarn over, and we're going to pull through all 3 loops. Okay. Now we're going to repeat the pattern of 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochets in the next chain space. So we're going to do that pattern for 3 more times. And I'll meet you once we're on the last 2 half double crochets in that pattern. So for our last 2 half double crochets in this pattern, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to put another half double crochet in this space. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. 3 loops is on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay? Now in this last chain space, we're going to put 3 double crochets in this space. So yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain space. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, pull some more yarn out. And we're going to put 2 more double crochets in that space. Yarn over, insert your hook, moving the little tail out the way. Going to pull through 2. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain space, pull up, pull through 2, and 1 more time. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put a single crochet and turn your work a bit. We're going to work a single crochet all the way down our work, around, and we're going to then come back all the way around here with single crochets. Okay, so moving the tail over, we're going to work in this chain space right here. So go ahead and put a single crochet, pull through those 2 loops, and in the next one, pull your hook, push your hook through. There's the 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through. Okay, so continue going all the way around, and I'll meet you when we're on the other side. Okay, so let's work over our next 3 chain spaces, and then we're going to slip stitch right here in our beginning chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to put a slip stitch here and pull up on our yarn. Taking my scissors, I'm going to go ahead and cut my yarn. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is go ahead and sew in my tails. So as you are crocheting your letter C, sometimes it gets extra curly and twisty because you're trying to put all the stitches in your letter. So what I like to do is always to give my letters a burst of heat. So with my easy press, I'm just going to give it a tap of heat. I'm going to flip my C on the wrong side. And I'm just going to do it for like 3 seconds. Okay. Placing my Teflon sheet down, and I'm just going to give it a tap of heat. That's it. Here is our finished crocheted uppercase letter C. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.